Hello friends, welcome back to Learning with Arnab. Today we are diving into the colorful world of flowers. So let's begin with the parts of flowers. Number 1. Sepals. The leaf-like structure at the base of the flower which is known as sepals. They protect the flower during the bud stage. Number 2. Petals. The flowers have bright and colored parts to attract insects which is known as petals. Number 3. Stamen. The stamens are the male reproductive parts of flowering plants which produces pollens. The stamen consists of two parts, anther and filament. Anther, a sac-like structure present on the top of the stamen, is known as anther. It contains powdery fine spore-like structures called pollen grains, which is generally yellow in colors. Filament or stalk. Filament or stalk is a long tube-like structure which holds the anther up. Number 4. Pistil. The pistil is the female reproductive parts of flowering plants which produces ovules. It consists of four parts: stigma, style, ovary and ovules. Stigma. The sticky tip of the pistil is known as stigma, which receives the pollen grains from the anther. Style. It is a long tube-like structure that connects the stigma to the basal part, which is the ovary. Ovary. A bulb-like structure present at the base of the style is known as an ovary. Ovules. Female egg cells present in the ovary is known as ovules. Seeds are formed from ovules. Have you ever heard about the bisexual and unisexual flowers? Some flowers contain both the male and the female reproductive parts, the stamen and the pistil. Such flowers are called bisexual flowers. For example, rose, lily, tulip, hibiscus, etc. Some flowers either only contain the male reproductive part, which is the stamen, or the female reproductive part, which is the pistil. Such flowers are called unisexual flowers. For example, flowers of papaya, cucumber and watermelon. That's it for today friends. Now that we know the different parts of flowers, we can understand how they all work together to help plants grow and make seeds. In my next video, we will talk about the process and types of pollination. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.